Today we're gonna make a Christmas piece with lights. We start with a circle on feet and we cut some wire. Put it on the base. Not right. Then we twist the felt. And we cover the whole line. When the circle is finished, we pine cones are ready, and now we can put a branch of pinus on it to make it more natural. We put a branch of pinus on it to look more natural. And then the magical light with a little battery. Tube. We put this on the line.